Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore hosts file to default on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To restore the hosts file to default on Windows 11, start by opening the Start menu. Type Notepad in the search bar. Right-click on Notepad in the results. Select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This allows Notepad to make changes to system files. Once Notepad is open, click on File in the top left corner. Select Open from the drop-down menu. In the Open dialog box, navigate to the location of the hosts file. The default path for the hosts file is C:\windows\system32\drivers/ etc. Make sure to change the file type drop-down to all files. Locate and select the hosts file, then click Open. In the hosts file, you will see lines of text. To restore it to default, remove any custom entries. The default hosts file typically contains only comments, which start with a hashtag symbol. Ensure that the only lines remaining are these comment lines. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on File again. Select Save to save your edits. If prompted to confirm, click Yes. Now, close Notepad. Next, open the command prompt by searching for it in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type IP protocol configuration/flushns and press Enter. This command clears the DNS cache. After the process completes, you can close the command prompt. Your hosts file is now restored to its default state in Windows 11. You can now restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.